back to Travel with Ed and Ross. We are back to Hanoi from Ninh Binh. If you have missed our Ninh Binh blog, do check it out. It's an incredible place to travel when in Hanoi. Our homestay is in Old Quarters. Today we will take you on a ride with us around the Old Quarters of Hanoi, all the famous places, so stay till the end. We are at Ngoc Son Temple, located on a small island on Hoan Kiem Lake, which you will see in a while. This is a quite picturesque bridge, and so you will see the crowd all the time on the bridge. We went early in the morning. Timings will be provided in the description below. We are crossing St. Joseph Cathedral. It's a late 19th century Gothic revival church that serves Cathedral of Roman Catholic of Hanoi. There's also a school behind this church. We are having chocolate bread ice cream, and it's
amazing.
Yeah,
Tasty.
So we are trying this combination for the first time and we loved it.
So whenever you come to Vietnam, Hanoi, do try this out. It's near the Old Quarter and just in front of the lake. There are two shops. We love this one. We have already tried 2 to 3 different flavors. We love the chocolate one. You should really try it out. This is Pagway from Philippines. He's a teacher by profession in Vietnam. This is Hoan Kiem Lake. Where people come for walk, exercise, play, and in the evening it's a whole new crowd of girls clicking pictures, dancing. You will find cute little dogs walking, kids playing, vendors selling incredible sweet dishes and more. It's a whole new vibe in the evening and a pretty great place to spend time enjoying the sunset and experiencing Hanoi's beautiful life. So stay till the end with us and watch this place turn into a beautiful experience till dawn.
कोई मिल गया वाले इसके ऊपर चाहिए।
This market was worth exploring. This were handmade and collection was quite amazing. In the end, we had our dinner and it was quite tasteful. I bought bun bao from a lady and here I am eating in my room.
This you get to see everywhere. This is bun bao, called bun bao. Wherever you see bun bao written, that means they are selling this. And don't go by its looks because it is very tasty. Let me try one in front of you guys. It has the best stuffing. See, full of flavors and taste is amazing. Should try once. It's sweet, it's sour and amazing tasty.
Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. Please do like, share and subscribe if you loved the video.